Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium Box, which is a monthly subscription for $35. It's free shipping, so here in Michigan it cost me $37.50 for 6 full-size items, and the average box is $215. They do have a base box, which is 5 full-size items for $25, and here in Michigan that is $26.50. So let's go ahead and get right into the box. My first item is the Wander Beauty concentrate, which has a 1% retinoid in it, and this product runs for $68. The second item is the Natasha Denona Coral Palette. Let's see what that one runs for. $48. Okay, and the next item is a Fenty Beauty primer, which is a primer for everyone, it says, and it does also tone the shine and help with pores. So let's see what that one cost. $32. Okay, and the next one is a lip gloss duo, and this lip gloss duo costs $24. Okay, and the next one is a Murad hydrating toner, and the Murad hydrating toner runs for $35. And then the last item I received is a eyeliner. It's in a brown shade, a rose shade. I don't use eyeliner, so that'll probably be in a giveaway or a gift, and that is $15. So if you were to buy these items individually, they would cost you $222. I paid $37.50. So sorry I'm going so fast, but I'm having issues uploading and recording. Things are being deleted, and it just cuts off on me. I need to work with the storage somehow. But anyway, that is my box for the month of April, and I thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you're interested in Boxycharm, there's always a link below all of my videos where you can either check it out, subscribe, or just see what's going on with Boxycharm. And that's it for today. I thank you so much for watching, and again, I'm so sorry that I had to go so fast. I'll try to put more information regarding the products below the video. Okay? And you have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.